Hey guys, welcome back. It's mail day here. Just got a couple things. I got a package from a trade I made on a Facebook group for wrestling cards, and then I got my first big box from Lazy Booking. So just thought I'd share it with you guys, make a quick video. So let's see what we got. So here we go. Got a there we go. Got a Bailey 239 out of 299. Doink the Clown card, 1 out of 1. Kalisto. Not a huge Kalisto fan, but I like the multicolor relics, so this was pretty cool. It's the rookie card. I think it's out of Heritage. You can see it's 8 out of 10, which I didn't even realize that at the time. So that's awesome. But the crown jewel of the trade was this Carmella. It's a gold kiss card. It's a beautiful set of lips on there. And it is number, if you can see, 5 out of 10. So that, I gave up about 7 autos for these 4 cards. So I gave up a lot to get it, but I was really going after the Carmella Kiss card here. So that's gonna look good next to my Maurice Kiss card. So that was a trade off my Facebook group. Next, I got a box from Lazy Booking. Did a box break with him. You can see he packages things very nicely. I had one other package from him, just a couple from Undisputed pack break, and he packaged that real nice too. So you can see there's all my base cards. Nice little holder there. And the hits, I actually made a trade. Another guy was doing a box break right after me, and I got a Hideo Itami that he wanted. So we ended up trading. I traded the Hideo Itami for a Natalia Kiss card. So, but this I thought was cool. The other guy, he didn't really care for Kiss cards, but it's just a nice card. I'm not a huge Natalia fan, but it's number 29 out of 99, and it'll go into my collection, so I'll enjoy that. And then we pulled a silver card out of it. 13 out of 25. And then the nice hit out of the box was a Kevin Owens. Use my little stance. Forgot I had it there. 24 out of 50. So that's my first Kevin Owens hit. It's the blue parallel auto, so I thought that was real nice. So I'm sure if you're watching my videos, you've seen Lazy Booking, so I would definitely encourage you to check him out and sign up for a box break, or he's going to be doing some Undisputed boxes here soon too, where you could buy and just get a pack or two. So I definitely would recommend hitting him up and see what you get. So it's boxbreak.city is his website. I hope you enjoyed this, and talk to you soon.